Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builders Supply. This video is to bring you a closer look at the Dorbin number 199AS mill aluminum finish weather stripping with tape. This is a 199AS tape mill aluminum finish weather stripping. This is a piece of gasketing that you're going to install onto a frame, metal or wood, whichever you're installing it down to, and this is supplied with double-sided tape is why this is. Now, a commercial client would probably not use this ever, not ever, because they have the ability to mechanically fasten it to the door. Someone who makes a living in the carpentry or door installation business. However, homeowners, it's going to work fine for them using double-sided tape. They don't have the tools, time, or desire to learn how to pre-drill holes and install everything mechanically. Tape is what the client wants, and there you go. That's what this is for. Now, this will be very good, high-quality tape. This will be weather stripping that you can, you'll have to cut it to length unless you have measured the exact lengths that you need, and by all means, let us know by ordering the next longest piece or pieces and indicate that net length size in that comment field, meaning if we're going for a client who doesn't want to do any work except peel and stick, you'll have to let us know the size, or you're going to have to plan on cutting this. A hacksaw would obviously work. A small miter box saw would certainly work. It's only aluminum, so it will be able to be cut. But if you don't want to do that work either, and I imagine that you may not, let us know as directed, and we'll send out the net lengths as you need. Now, there is an image below this video showing the important dimensional properties. You can see that the holder, the aluminum portion, is 3/4 inch. Looks like it's a little heavy on that. Then you get down to about 1 1/8 inches when you add the Santoprene, a synthetic rubber, very good, high-quality material. That's going to be good with exposure to temperature extremes, exposure to ultraviolet. It is certainly superior to vinyl. Okay, you want to be careful when you're putting this on. You're going to want to put it on with the tape on first, with the paper backer on. Fit it, make sure it works nice. You're not going to have any adjustment after you get it installed. So get the piece in, dry fit it, make sure it fits correctly. You might want to mark the frame with a line so that you know where you're going to install it. Open the door and then get that piece on, and lots of pressure putting it on, okay? As much as you can muster in that regard. Okay. Thickness of the item, Dorbin has that at 1/4 inch, and obviously there's no screws, there's no holes for screws, there's just that two-sided tape. You'll be able to order this in different finishes. You can get the aluminum in pewter, in polished aluminum, pewter finish, polished aluminum, brushed aluminum. Sometimes that's awfully nice. Some of those finishes, just being mill, it will look like what aluminum would look like when it's extruded at the factory. Okay, and of course you've got your Santoprene stop there. The summary of Dorbin is this. There is a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can review all the Dorbin products that we sell, and you can also review the product catalog. Now, the name Dorbin is synonymous with commercial weather stripping. They're going to do an excellent job when it comes to the basic material with lots of variation for custom sizes of thresholds, perimeter gasketing, of weather stripping. There's not a lot in that regard that makes them unique in terms of products, except that their products are good, thick, generous extrusions. But there are a couple of things that they are set apart by. Their industry leading shipping lead times, and if you get to the back side of that product catalog, you're going to see one of only of a couple of people who still offer zinc and bronze interlocking, or not necessarily, let's remove the word interlocking, zinc and bronze weather stripping for double hung windows. Some of that can be interlocking, like your nested meeting hooks, where the upper and lower sash will come together and close. Interlocking weather stripping for doors. They're going to have a pretty decent selection of solid architectural bronze thresholds that could also be interlocking as well. So, like here in Chicago, there must be hundreds of thousands of windows that are installed that are decades old that have zinc or bronze, jam strips, sill header portions, and those windows aren't going to be replaced. They just need to continue to operate correctly. And Dorbin is, like I said, one of only of a couple of people that I am aware of that actually offer that from stock. Okay. If you have any questions on the Dorbin, this is their part number 199AS tape or any other Dorbin product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you very much.